I am currently sitting outside of HEB. If you can't tell, I'm super excited because I just spent like the last hour and 15 minutes planning a haul to share with you all. And I was so excited that I forgot my purse. So I had to turn back around and go grab that. But I'm looking to get about 35 items and make $5. Fingers crossed that they have everything in stock. It's hot time at HEB right now due to the multiple basket coupons for the laundry. So I know a lot of people are out doing deals, and it is already Thursday at 8 o'clock. So hopefully they have everything that I need and I can share with you guys. Also, I'm going to try to make this intro as short as possible because, like I said, it's getting late and I need to get in there, get everything, and then come back out. But I have a lot to share with you guys, so please make sure you stay all the way through the video. And when I get done and recap, I have some pretty big announcements to make, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And yeah, make sure you are subscribed, and let's go get some deals. All right, y'all, so right out of the gate, we are going to do a couple of basket deals. And when I say basket deals, what I mean is we are going to be using the basket coupons in the HEB app. Those basket coupons are the ones that say like 4 off of 15, 5 off of 25, when you buy specific brands. So the first one is for laundry care, and we're mainly gonna be doing a Tide basket deal. So for mine, I went ahead and grabbed 2 Tide Pods, and I'm going to use a $2 off one digital in the app. And then I'm also going to use one $2 off one paper coupon found in the P&G inserts that we got on Sunday. Now I expect this to beep. They usually always beep, so we'll need probably a cashier to push that through. And then I'm gonna grab one thing of Bounce dryer sheets and one thing of Downy dryer sheets. There is a $2 off one digital that I can use on one of the boxes, and then I'm also going to use a $2 off one paper coupon from this past weekend's P&G as well. Then finally, I'm gonna grab these Downy, one of those scent boosters. They are $6.94, and I'm gonna use a $3 off digital coupon in the HEB app. So all of this comes out to $25.13. There is also a $4 off 25 basket coupon and a $5 off 25 basket coupon. You can combine both. So I'm gonna use those for an additional $9 off. So in total, that is a total of $20 off in coupons. So that's gonna make all 5 items $5.13. Now guys, prices do vary by store, so please make sure to double check your prices and that all the items attached to both basket coupons before you do this deal. Okay, y'all, for this next basket deal, I sat down for like an hour trying to combine this $3 off 15 with the 4 off 15, and I really was just not coming out to anything low enough, especially for oral care. So I just went back to the deal that Coop Mommer shared on Instagram. And y'all, if you like couponing at HEB, please make sure to give her a follow. She's awesome. She's on Instagram and TikTok and shares great HEB deals. All right, for this one, what you're going to need are 3 of the Vicks Vapo Drops, 1 pack of the Oral-B Indicator toothbrushes, and 3 of the Burt's Bees Kids toothpaste. So for the Vapo Drops, they are $1.08, and there is a $1 off digital in the app. And then I'm gonna use 2 of these paper coupons that we got in this past Sunday's P&G inserts. For the Oral-B, they are $3.28 at my store, and I'm gonna use a $2 off one digital coupon. And then for the Burt's Bees, they are $2.97. There is a $2 off one digital in the app. And I'm gonna use 2 of the $2 off one paper coupons also found in this past weekend's P&G inserts. So that's gonna make everything $15.43. And after the $3 off 15 and all those paper coupons, my total is just gonna be $1.43 for all. And again, guys, make sure to check your prices because I know that Oral-B Indicator is pretty higher, so it may be a little bit cheaper. So make sure that you are meeting that $15 threshold in order to get that $3 extra off. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at the new HEB makeup section. It is so pretty. I guess that's why everything was on clearance. I love it, but they rearranged everything. So I don't like that. All right, y'all, don't hate me, but by the time I share this video, this deal will be over. But we scored a lot of Vaseline a couple weeks ago, so don't hate me too much. This Vaseline is $3.29 at my store. You can grab any of the varieties that are $3.29. And there is that $3 off 2 digital in the app, as well as the $1 off. And there is now a $2 off 5 basket coupon. So that's gonna give me a total of $6 off. So I'm gonna pay just 29 cents for each bottle of Vaseline lotion. All right, y'all, now we need to get some deals that are gonna pay for all that stuff that we are not getting free out of pocket. So for the first one, I'm super stoked about this because the app says they're $2.79, but they are marked 2 for $4. So let's hope they ring up 2 for $4. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab 3 at $2 each for $6, and then Aisle is giving back $3 for each one. So that is going to make each one a $1 moneymaker. So a total of a $3 moneymaker. Score, y'all. So this Good Culture cottage cheese deal is still on Aisle. If you missed it last week, they are $1.37, and Aisle is giving back $2 for each one. So this is a $5.04 moneymaker deal. So make sure you do this one, guys, to help you cover some of the laundry care items that we're grabbing. Also, for Aisle, I've been getting a lot of questions. I haven't talked about it too much. I'm still getting used to it as well. But for the rebates, that is supposed to be per week. So if it says limit 8, that is per week. So we did this last week, so our week is up and we can do it again. Y'all, at this point, is it even a true couponing haul if I'm not getting free or moneymaker cookies? I have collected so many over like the past month and a half, 2 months. It's insane. I've been pawning them off on my neighbor because 1, I don't need them. 2, I could never eat them all. So, but they're money makers, so I gotta get them so we can help pay for the other stuff in our cart. They are still 2 for $4. I'm gonna grab 4. I'm gonna use 2 of these $1.50 peelies. That's off of 2. So I'm going to pay $5 out of pocket, get back $4 on Ibotta, and $2 on checkout 51, and that's going to make all 4 packs a $1 moneymaker. Here's a deal that anyone should be able to do. H-E-B dropped a freebie yesterday for one of these tasty dinner kits. They have 4 different flavors you can choose from. They're $2.89, and all you gotta do is clip that digital coupon, and at checkout you will pay absolutely nothing for it. For the final deal of the night, we are going to our old faithful, the Butterfingers. They are back 3 for $1. So I'm gonna grab 6, and when you buy 5, Swagbucks will give you back $5. So we're gonna pay $2 out of pocket for 6, and we're gonna get back $5, making them a $3 moneymaker. Y'all, we have 36 items in this haul, which kind of makes me nervous because I already know some of the paper coupons are gonna give me issues. So kind of dreading it, but trying to make sure all my ducks are in a row on the digital side so I don't have any issues. And I want to mention I'm also going to use a 3 off 30 basket coupon. I get asked all the time, how do I keep getting those? Y'all, just create a new account. Just need an email, create an account. That's it. So fingers crossed that this goes halfway decent. All right, y'all, I'm back home, and I want to review really quickly how my transaction went in store and how it went also uploading my receipt to all of the rebate apps. So in store, 2 little snags I hit. The first was that my Vicks coupons did not scan. The Tide one did, surprisingly, but the Vicks ones did not, so the cashier had to manually enter that. The other thing was that, and this is what I figured, that the fat snacks were not going to ring up for $2 each, just because of what the app was telling me versus what they were marked. They didn't, but I just showed the cashier the video and she adjusted it for me. So that was really, really nice of her and made for a bigger money maker there. So then when it came to uploading my receipts, I already got my credit from Ibotta, the $4, the $2 for checkout 51. I texted my receipt to Aisle, y'all, and we're getting back $25 from Aisle alone. So I should get that back tomorrow. And when I uploaded my receipt to Swagbucks, it didn't recognize the Butterfingers, so I had to send that into review for that $5. So all in all, I paid a little bit under $30 plus tax out of pocket. And then I'm getting back around $36. So this is a $6-ish moneymaker, y'all. So we got everything completely free and made some money. So I know Swagbucks usually, you know, it's kind of hit or miss on whether they'll credit you or not, or they take a long time. But y'all, even without that $5, we got everything free. So I'm really not mad at it. I probably don't need any more Butterfingers, but it is what it is. You take your chances sometimes. That's just how it goes. But anyways, that's all I had for the haul part. And I mentioned earlier in the video, I wanted to talk about some things that I'm working on and some things that you can expect here on my channel. So the first thing is I got invited to compete in the couponing Olympics. You might have heard this from some of your favorite, other favorite YouTubers, couponers. that are participating as well. So we will be doing that next week. It actually starts on Sunday, and we have all the way up until like Friday or Saturday to share our haul. So we're broken up into 3 categories. There's grocery, like pharmacy, and then like superstore. So if you can't guess, I'm going to be competing in the grocery category, and I'm doing HEB. So there will definitely be an HEB video again next week. So please make sure to check that out and support me, and also support the other couponers and YouTubers that are participating as well. I'll try to share next week in my link everyone else's YouTube pages and their links to their videos so that you guys can check those out as well. So that's one exciting thing going on. The next, and you will know this if you follow me on Instagram, I am actually working on kind of like just a HEB tips and tricks video. And it's also going to be in a written form as well. I'm trying to get the best 10 things that I can think of that help me or would help me if I was starting out couponing at HEB. So I will have a video that will be completely free, and it's going to be there for anybody to reference. I will probably charge just a little bit for the written copy just because I have been putting a lot of time in it. I was hoping to have it done this week, y'all, but things are getting super busy at work and I just don't have the time to finish it up yet. But I promise I will get it out as soon as I can for y'all, even if that's just in video form and then the paper later on. So some exciting things going on, y'all. So thanks again for tuning in. And if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye, y'all.